Hello everyone. Today I going to show you how to buy TRX on Task Wallet. For that, at first open Task Wallet. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on Swap option. Then you will see this page. First of all, click here and you will need to click here again. Here you will need to select TRX network. Here you will need to search USDT and click on the USDT. After that, need to click here. Here you will need to select TRX. After that, enter quantity you want to buy. After that, need to click here for successfully buy. You can buy TRX on the Task Wallet following this process. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more informative video.